Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. And in today's video, I will show you how to get the default settings in your PUBG. So it's an extremely easy process. All you do is firstly click on the arrow option at the bottom right-hand corner, then click on Settings. Now first, just simply click on Graphics. After that, just click on Reset Graphics at the bottom left-hand side corner, then click on OK. And that will set the default graphic settings. Now click on Customize Buttons, then click on Customize on whatever layout you're using, and then just simply click on Reset at the top, and then it will also reset all your buttons to the default settings. Next, go to the Pickup option and click on Default right over here. Then click on OK. And this will bring all the settings back to the default. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to get your default settings in PUBG. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.